If you are just a beginner in video editing and want to level up, then watch this tutorial. In this, I will tell the best way to create epic ink transition in both the software. Open After Effects, create a composition up to 5 seconds, should be fine. Drag the clip into the composition and drag second and drag your ink transition and just place the ink transition just above the two footage. You can get this transition into mixkit.com under the premium transition. I will share the link in description, or you can type in YouTube for free ink transition and download it. And then change the track matte of Luma of second layer. If you can't see the track matte, just hit this. And here is the thing, it's done. You must probably thinking, is it so simple? But it is. But let's take this into next level. Delete all this and drag the footage and duplicate it. Then select the roto brush tool and double click the duplicate footage. If you want to know how to use this tool in detail, you can click on the I button on the corner and watch it. Let me fast forward it. Let me select the person here and hit the space bar. After tracking, go to the layer and see the background is removed. Then add 3D camera tracker onto the original layer and let it analyze the 3D point.
A few moments later.
After that, select the point and make sure the circle should be facing in front. And right click and select create solid and camera option. Then drag the second footage to the solid layer. Just hold the Alt button on the keyboard and drag this solid layer. Then maximize the size of footage till it covers the whole frame. And let me play it. And isn't it cool? I have added the thunder in the video and it's moving along with the tracking point. Then take the rotoscopic footage at the top and let's see how is it looking. Good. Now we need to duplicate this solid layer and add our ink transition. Just hold the Alt button and drag to the solid layer. Then adjust it. Then adjust the footage when you want the transition. Let me adjust this by dragging to here and then the rotoscopic layer, crop it to here. Now add lumetric color into the footage and adjust the color with the solid footage. When it is done, let's see how it is looking. After this, select these and right click and then click on the video and hit OK. Then change the track matte into Luma or Luma invert. And here is the thing guys, if you choose Luma, it will fade the white part, and if you choose Luma inverted, it will fade the black part. And ladies and gentlemen, here is the epic ink transition. In Premiere, just drop the ink transition just top of the video and add the track matte key to the video. Under track matte, change this to the video 2 and this to Luma and hit inverted. Let me play it. It's fine. Nest them, and after that just drag this nested sequence at the top of this video. And basically, if you're just a beginner in video editing and confused which software you can choose, so in this video here I will not show you which one, but basically I will tell you why you need to choose Premiere Pro software for video editing. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.